Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin went up quite nicely in 8 weeks in the row. But now, today, when we woke up in the morning, we have seen some correction. It went down all the way to 40,300. So let's talk about this thing. What could happen soon. The second thing I would like to talk about, that Bitcoin price correction could be a hint to start of an altcoin season. And the third topic is Google updates policy to allow ads for US crypto trust. Guess when? In January, or from January, put it this way. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh videos to keep you up to date in crypto and blockchain. So if you would like to stay up to date, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you like this kind of content, what I'm creating every single day, then hit the like button. And now let's start it. Okay, when we're looking at the prices right now, we can see some correction for sure. Not a major one, but some corrections. So Bitcoin is down 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Then we can have Ethereum 4.2% down. When we're looking at the big gainer, Injective up 20%, Synthetics 12%, Avalanche 12%, Immutable X 11%. So it doesn't looking that bad overall. And yeah, we have some losers. FTT token 11% down, Kava 8%, Sandbox 8%, and so on and so forth. And yeah, the first topic I would like to talk about is this correction. By the way, just what's going to happen this week, we're going to have the FOMC meeting on the 13th of December, so in a couple of days' time. Basically on on Wednesday. And now when we're looking at the prediction, it looks like that there will be a pause again, so no rate hikes. It's going to stay as it is. The 98.4% is saying this, so probably no rate hikes, and this is definitely bullish for the market. Okay, now let's move on to the first topic. Let's check out this correction what just happened. So when we're looking at a bit more closely, we can see that this is the Bitcoin daily candle here. And yeah, yesterday it was the top 44,049 US dollar. And today we went down all the way to 40,300. So yeah, this was a drop, but then we were pushed back kind of. And yeah, the price of Bitcoin suddenly dropped 6.5% and fall below 41%, as I just showed you. And basically today in the early morning hours, what is very important, that it really happened in a couple of minutes time, about in 20 minutes, as you can see it here. Doesn't matter, you got it, I think, yeah. So bottom line is that what kind of correction was this? Because it was really that someone wanted to shake out a couple of positions, like, long positions using leverage. Because we should watch now how we continue in the next couple of days. Because it can easily happen that now we started to go again here, went back and now moving sideways. If you're looking at on the 15-minute, then you can see it actually better. There we go. See, as you can see, now we going among this line. And yeah, so it can easily happen that this was nothing major. And we can continue, because if that's happening, that could be interesting for altcoins, for example, but I'm going to talk about in a second. So here we have, liquidations, which were almost 400 million US dollar liquidation, more than 300 in long positions, as you can see. When we're looking at the last couple of days, here, last month, kinda, we haven't had that big liquidations in long positions, what we're witnessing right now. And another important thing which we should point out is this is the weekly candles for Bitcoin. And when we're looking at, we have here 8 weekly candles in a row in a green. The last time we had this, it was back in 2017, and before that, back in 2016. After both cases, Bitcoin price went down 40%. But now the situation is a bit different. So yeah, obviously we cannot go up forever in a straight line. So more and more of these green candles you have, the chance is bigger and bigger to have a correction. But how it will look like at the end of the week, well, we're going to see it. But yeah, you should just, keep that in mind. More and more green candles, the possibility of correction. But what kind of correction? What percentage? That's a good question. Because as you could see here, when we checked out the altcoins, look at these. These are very nice gains on the day when Bitcoin is dropping. And this is leading to my next topic, which is the next topic is all about the Bitcoin price correction, hints to start of an altcoin season. This is what some traders are suggesting. So we could see already altcoins going up quite nicely in the recent weeks. And now this kind of price correction could, start some more altcoins. So a decline in price of altcoins followed by Bitcoin price correction, many of which recorded double-digit drops. However, market pundits and analysts believe that recent price crash is part of an ongoing price cycle, and after 2 months of bullish surge, a correction is no surprise. So it's totally part of it. And crypto trader Raman wrote in X post that he believes that a recent dump could push altcoins into another bull run. And yeah, this is not a question. Look at this. Now, today, it had this kind of price drop. We pumped back all the way here. We're holding right now. We don't know how long. So we should, watch both bursts. If we do continue, as we have learned, in previous situation back in 2017 and 16, when we had this kind of 8 weekly green candles in the row after significant correction came. However, now we are very different situation right now. And it could happen that, yes, correction, but the size of the correction, maybe it's not that heavy. What do you think? You can let me know in the comment section, because nobody knows the future, but we just, guessing here and try to figure out a couple of things. But the reaction from the altcoin market is definitely not that bad than what we usually have when there is a strong Bitcoin correction. And of course, we can go down all the way here to 38,000-ish, and maybe next level all the way to 35. This is possible. But overall, and this is my personal opinion, we are in the bullish trend. So even that the correction comes, for me, it's just a great chance to get into some projects on a better price, because I believe that in a couple of days, weeks, something, we can return, or maybe sooner. We're going to see it. Anyway, okay, next topic I would like to talk about is that was the altcoin thing. Yeah. Okay, and the third topic is about the Google updates policy to allow ads for US crypto trusts. Here is some interesting thing. We do know that many people saying that Bitcoin spot ETF going to be approved just before the 10th of January, on the 10th of January, beginning of January, put it this way. And, that means, you should kind of advertise your Bitcoin opportunities if you are BlackRock or Fidelity or some others. And then we have this here. Google updates policy to allow ads for US crypto trust. So Google will allow ads for US-based crypto trust from January, by the way, with the change seemingly coming the same month that spot ETF are predicted to be approved. Isn't that strange? So yeah, this is pretty much the same. Tech giant has updated crypto-related advertising policy to allow ads about crypto trust from the end of January, the same month, as I just mentioned. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I just highlighted it twice. Here you can see the whole document. So again, another plus that, yes, it could be that maybe, Bitcoin spot ETF, it's really going to be approved in January, because this is in line with that. But we're going to see it anyway. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you would like to stay up to date, simply just subscribe. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.